We're 8 hours ahead.
Hey guys, I'm leaving Madrid, going to Dublin. We're gonna wake up like 6 a.m. this morning to get to the airport so that we don't miss our flight. So we're on our way to Dublin. Good morning everyone. We are on the first full day here in Dublin. We didn't get to, apologies for not being able to vlog much yesterday. We had to get up early, super early in the morning in Madrid. Went to the airport, went to the lounge to just hang out for a little bit, just so that we wouldn't miss our flight. Then once we got to Dublin, we checked in our hostel. We were so tired that we took a nap and we didn't do much yesterday basically. So we were able to walk around and went to the restaurant and we ate dinner, had a couple of drinks, of course some pints of Guinness, and just we just really chilled and relaxed yesterday and slept a lot and rested because it's what we really needed yesterday. So but today is another full day. We have a couple things planned so far. I think we're going to be doing a lavender walk, which is it's like a special walking tour that they're doing that's in conjunction with the St. Patrick's Festival. So we're gonna be doing that, and we might be doing the Irish Whiskey Museum tour, and then and we're just really trying to figure out what else to do because there's a couple of day tours that we want to do, but you would take an entire full day to do it. So we're trying to figure out what day we can do that. And as you can see, my voice is still not fully it's not back yet. This is our room. We have a 3-person private room with a private bathroom, but it's not an in-suite private bathroom. The bathroom is actually outside, so we needed a key to get in and out. But yeah, our bunk bed, and I got the double bed, which is right next to this lovely view. So Ireland's a little bit more expensive here, so we have to really be careful of what we spend our money on. So I found a couple of really cool places to eat breakfast, so hopefully we'll be able to get there and enjoy that. And Jeffrey, it's his birthday today! Happy birthday! So yeah, we're gonna be celebrating his birthday. I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing yet, but it's gonna be fun no matter what. Alright folks, so Jeffrey and I went to a really cute restaurant called Stage Door Cafe, and we had an amazing Irish breakfast with Irish coffee. They were famous for it, so we had to, of course, naturally we had to order it, and it was a cute little restaurant. And it turns out that later on we found out that the restaurant was actually owned by U2, the band. So yeah, it was a really cool place. Last minute we decided let's just go on one of the free walking tours, and we did that at 11 a.m. And that ended probably around like 1:30, and it was a pretty cool tour. We just learned we learned a lot. Definitely the history and the culture of Ireland and Dublin and everything. So it was sporadically rain every once in a while, but nothing too crazy. It would rain, sun comes out, like it's like nice right now, rain and the sun comes out again. So I guess that's just the way Dublin is, or the way Ireland is. And then we did some souvenir shopping. Now we're waiting until around 5 o'clock, and we are doing the lavender walking tour. I wish my voice was back. But yeah, so far Ireland's been pretty cool. I'm really enjoying it. And we just bought a day tour to Galway City and the Cliffs for Saturday. So we're gonna do that on Saturday. Tomorrow is still kind of up in the air. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We might end up doing the Irish Whiskey Museum tomorrow because we're running out of time today to do it. So yeah, so far it's been really, really cool. It's a little expensive here, but it's fine. Alright guys, change of plans. We're not doing the lavender walk today. Apparently they canceled today's tour because I guess there weren't enough people that signed up. They failed to tell us, but we're gonna go to the one tomorrow at 5 p.m. So instead we're gonna do the pub crawl or pub tour today with the same company that we went with earlier today for the free tour. So yeah, so we'll do that instead. We'll take you along. Alright, so we just came back from pub tour. We went to 3 different bars, and then we went to 4 different bars. It was cool. It was like 20 euros, and all the tastings were included. And then at the last bar, Jeffrey and I were like, okay, like we're so full, like we can't drink anymore. Let's go back to the hostel. And not even 1 block later, we see a gay bar. So we're like, let's go in there, gay bar. But they close at 11:30. So everything here in Dublin closes really early, like everything. But there's plenty of drunk people around. So yeah, so we went to a gay bar and had 1 drink, and it was cool. But now we're heading back after we got our munchies here. Going back to the hostel because I have to check out tomorrow. Boo! But did you have a good birthday?
I had an amazing birthday.
Aww.
This whole experience is good. It's great.
Yay. He already wants to come back.
I do. I'm already planning it.
Yes, 2020.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, so we're gonna we'll finish celebrating Jeffrey's birthday back at the hostel, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, folks, we're back at the hostel, and we are gonna finish celebrating Jeffrey's 28th. He doesn't look 28. 28th birthday with this lovely giant donut, which apparently that's a big thing. Giant donuts. Look at this. So, happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Jeffrey. Happy birthday to you! Woo! Is it good? Happy birthday to Jeffrey. And his first time out of the country, and it's his birthday. Something to remember.
You have to try this donut.
Okay, I'm gonna try it, but you're not gonna see it.